I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today in soybeans, the market really firmed up. There's still weather worries in Argentina, and they remain a factor. It seems like the futures are solidly above that $10 mark, and they've really become the support instead of the resistance. And with that U.S. dollar index coming off dramatically today, that is, cooperating to help this market really march higher. It looks like soybeans could be leading the way for most of the grains and start pushing it into areas that we haven't seen in quite a while. And as they continue to rally, some of these managed funds start to cover some of their short positions, and that drives it even further. And it looks like that we could start to see numbers that we haven't seen in quite a while. Corn today was steady but a little bit firm. That dryness in South America is still affecting the corn market as well. We're in a critical stage of development, and who knows exactly what those yields are going to be in South America. That will, if there's any difficulty there, that's definitely going to help our U.S. markets. And it certainly shows that the corn now is really starting to press through. It's the number 369. Once we get through there, we haven't seen these prices really in a couple of months, and then we can break a little bit of breakout on the upside. Could definitely get some follow-through buying and get this market higher. Wheat today was a little bit lower. It seems that the plentiful global supplies, the idea of that really sets in when the buying stops, and then everyone takes all their money off the table, and profit taking kind of ensues. Now today it was only down about $3 or about 3 cents or so, but the fact of the matter is there is still some dryness in the U.S. plains, and as we continue to rally, that short covering really starts to the funds really start to scramble and buy back their shorts, and that really kind of like presses their own market right now. With the U.S. dollar index down firmly as they are today, definitely is going to make us competitive around the world, and we expect that it's going to be very difficult to keep any of the grain markets down. We expect that there's going to be a little bit of a rally across the board. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.